Hi everyone, now we are going to unbox these two parcels. So let's start with the small one. So nothing more. So let's check this free gift. Not sure what is this. Okay. Okay, we have few 2 rupee and 5 rupee notes. Okay, not bad. So let it be aside. Okay. Here we have the coins. All are 25 paise. 1973 Hyderabad coins. All are almost like UNC condition. So total we have 65 coins as he mentioned here, 65 coins. So let's count it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. So yeah, we have got 65 coins in here. So let's open the second parcel now. And here's the second parcel. So let's open this. Few minutes later. One eternity later. Okay. So that's all inside. Those all some packagings. That's all. Okay, let's check this what we have now. Okay, so let's check what we have here. Like these are 3 paise coins. Not only 3, also I think 1 paise and 2 paise also. Okay, here we have. I think this is a year-wise set I have ordered. Yeah, 1 paise all year-wise and 2 paise and 3 paise. 2 paise, few rare 1 or 2 rare coins alone missing. So mostly common and scarce are available. So I will post this for sale sooner. And this we have here is, you can see ILO. You can see here ILO, that means World of Work. I think those are all made a mint. Okay, all similar coins. Let's count how much they are. Ninety-six, 97, 98, 99, 100. Okay, we got 100 coins here. So you can see all are the same, similar, commemorative. Okay guys, so in this parcel, second parcel, we got these, nothing more. So that's all for today guys. We got these 3 items. Actually these are also 3 items, 1 paise, 2 paise and 3 paise. You can see here 1, 2 and 3. Sooner I will post all this for sale. Hit the like button.